Yeah, so this is my garden. This is what I've been doing. And boy, I didn't think it's gonna be that hard to do gardening. Yeah, so this is what I've been doing. As you can see, the grass is getting green. It was all like dried up or something like that. So this is what I did. I did the mulching. This always I did it for myself. So I asked this. Ooh, look at that dog. Oh, somebody's dog is somewhere. Uh-oh. So yeah, so I asked this guy to he said, oh, I do gardening. I can make your flower beds look good and trim your bushes and your flowers, and like just come and trim these bushes. And he normally does my this the whatever the they mowed the lawn for me. So then he was like, oh, we offer other services like to trim your bushes, and I can cut some. See, like this one, I can cut it down a bit and make it look neat. And just keep in mind that it's this one, that one. See how small it is? Two, that one, three, and that one, four. So keep in mind it's just like the four of them. So he was like, okay, and I was like, okay, how much is it? Huh? It's like it's $750. $750, and you have to pay like $200 upfront. You have to pay it like in 2 days because he's gonna go buy the mulch and all that. I was like, damn, these people are really making a lot of money from this thing. So yes, so that's what happened, and that's how I got myself to Home Depot, and I bought the mulch and a rake, and I came and I was digging, and I still need to do a little bit more. So I figured, why can I just save the $750 and just do it myself? So this is what I did. I did it all by myself. I'm still yet to finish it up because it's not easy, and I'm starting my classes on Monday. So this is what I did. Look at that. So I did that one, my tree there. So this, I still need to get like 2 bags of it, and I still need to kind of get all these bushes, like you know that's a rosemary thing. I like it because I use it to for my tea or my just some water thing. And then that one I'll get the black mulch because I need them to have to be like the same. So yeah, and so you see my neighbor used the red one, mine is the black one. I prefer the that one look cute. Maybe next year I'm gonna see if I can. The next one I'll see if I can use the red one. It looks quite cool. So anyway, welcome to my neighborhood. Welcome to my gardening. And yeah, this is me. So I am not only a nurse, but I can also do gardening.